Gadgets Factory. Please subscribe our channel.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Ashi and I'm a lactation consultant. Today I'm going to be sharing my new favorite product called the Lactation Massager, which is literally a lifesaver if you're breastfeeding or pumping. It's easy to hold, has multiple vibration modes, and is 100% waterproof, which means you could use it in the shower. What I love about this product is its unique shape. It has 3 different sides, which help you solve a bunch of different breastfeeding problems. The smooth backside can be used to help soften the breast and stimulate letdown. The rounded edge can be used to dig into plugged ducts and help break them up. And the sides can be used to help move fluid and express milk. Whether you're in the beginning, middle, or end of your breastfeeding journey, this is a wonderful tool to have on hand.
For the past 30 years, technology of scanner has changed small. It is still slow and hard to use. Imagine one true smart scanner, which is fast, connected to Wi-Fi, and easy operated. What's more, it can scan books.
This is Caesar.
We redesigned the structure of scanner. We hope that our product can help more people work easier, and that's the most important reason to motivate us every day.
Scanning speed is so important for everyone. To make this reality, a lot of new technologies have been used on Caesar for the first time.
We creatively use 32-bit MIPS CPU for our scanner through the strong image processing and computing ability. We improve the speed for about 20 times compared with the traditional scanner.
Most difficult problems have been solved, including flattening curve, erasing fingerprint, and smart edge cutting, and so on. All of this can be done automatically.
We believe that technology shouldn't be minorities' privilege. New technology and algorithm can lower the cost of the hardware. So after testing image algorithm for hundreds of times, Caesar will be the first affordable book scanner for everyone.
Using Caesar scanner, you can scan the items that you want to save. They can be documents, vouchers, files, contracts, and even solid objects.
Using Caesar Cloud, you don't need to install any software or driver, and you can check it out from your laptop, iPad, or your smartphone.
Equipped with 16 million pixels camera, Caesar can make sure the clarity of every scanning and OCR function can also make digital copy editable. Caesar is also a visual projector with 1080p.
With your help, we together can change the way of scanning forever.
We need your support to drive the technology forward. We hope more people can enjoy this true smart, world-only scanner.
Please support us to make our dream come true. Thank you.
Gadgets Factory. Please subscribe our channel.